Let's walk you through how to install the iDash 1.8 on the vehicle. For this demonstration, we're going to use GM L5P Duramax, but the process is universal for any Obd2 vehicle. So first, what you're going to do is get your Obd2 cable and insert it into the gauge mount. Then take your iDash 1.8 and install the 4-pin connector into the slot. Then simply pop the iDash 1.8 into the gauge. Orient it in the right direction, and then tighten down this screw to lock it in place. Finally, take your Obd2 connector and locate your Obd2 port. So this is going to vary from vehicle to vehicle. On this L5P Duramax, it's located right here underneath the center console. So simply plug it in, and that's it. So to mount the iDash 1.8 to the vehicle, we typically recommend mounting it to the windshield. A good location is up here near the A-pillar. Simply find a good spot, push the suction cup up against the glass, and pull this locking tab and lock it in place. And now you're locked in nice and sturdy and ready to go. Optionally, you can also reroute the cable around the trim pieces for a cleaner and neater looking install like we've done here. So now that we've mounted our gauge, let's fire it up for the first time. All you have to do is simply start your vehicle. The gauge automatically looks for the RPM signal and wakes up by itself. So since this is the first time we're starting it, you have to input your engine displacement. It uses this value for a couple of the calculations. So let's go into liters by pressing the select button. And then if you hold it down, you can scroll through faster. And since this is an L5P Duramax engine, it's 6.6 liter. Now let's press the back button to return to the gauge menu. So now we're up and running, and this is what you'll see when you first fire up your iDash 1.8.